Alright guys, so ito yung ating stash 2025. So nandyan yung Mabuhay, Lucis, and Sky Knight 16 shots, Crossfire 100 shots, Arrow 16 shots, Cupid 16 shots, and Leto 16 shots, Terra 16 shots, then Chicago gawa ni Fire Planet, and Denver gawa rin ni Fire Planet, 16 shots din yan. And then nandito yung mga Tiger fireworks na gawa. So 6 na klase to. So lahat yan crackling fountain kinuha natin para masample. And then meron din tayong 3 minutes fountain. Then meron tayong Conde regular whistle bomb na 30 pieces. May tig to 200 tayo na sawa, Renalyn, Supremo. And meron din tayong 4 na higad. Gawa ni Phoenix, ni For Sure, then Renalyn yung 2. So meron din tayong Libreria, Whistling, saka Clear Metal, and then Conde, regular Quitties. So yan yung ating mga stash for 2025. Happy New Year guys! Ingat tayo.